Hi and welcome to this lecture on linear inequality. The general form of a simple linear inequality is as follows: ax plus b is smaller than c, where a, b, c are real numbers, where a is not 0. Remember that instead of this smaller sign, you can have a smaller or equal to, bigger or equal to. The solution of a linear inequality is a set of numbers, unlike the linear equations where the solution is a single number. Remember that when we divide or multiply both sides of a linear inequality with a negative number, the direction of inequality changes. Examples of linear inequality: 3x minus 1 less than 2, 4 times x minus 3 bigger or equal to 9x minus 1, and 5x plus 2 is smaller or equal to 3 times x minus 1. In order to find the solution set or the solution area for a given linear inequality, first of all, we need to get rid of b and, of course, a by adding minus b and dividing by a. For instance, if we have a 2x minus 3 smaller than 3, first of all, we need to get rid of this minus 3 by adding plus 3 to both sides of an inequality. With that, we get rid of minus 3 by this plus 3 and minus 3, which is 0. On the other side, though, we get 3 plus 3, which is 6. As a result, we get 2x is smaller than 6. Then we divide both sides of this inequality by 2 in order to get rid of this 2. Since 2 is a positive number, the direction of inequality doesn't change. So 2 into it's 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, the solution to this linear inequality, it's all numbers less than 3. That is the interval from minus infinity to 3. Any number in this interval solves this linear inequality. Again, you see that the solution to this linear inequality is a set of numbers, in this case from minus infinity to 3, where both sides of this interval is open because 3 is not included, minus infinity is not included anyway.